So let's take a look at your calendar, which is in Microsoft Teams. And this, of course, is you first encounter it in your email, your Outlook email, right? So when you open your Outlook email, up in the left-hand corner here is your app launcher. You click into it and you see your different apps that should come with your Office 365 account. One of them is Teams down here, Microsoft Teams. That's what we're going to be using for the class. Your calendar also is very helpful for getting into the Teams call, because if you go into your calendar, you should see an invite, which will be here on January 12th. There'll be an invite, which I will create earlier in the week, and I will mail that out to you in an email. So you can, the link is, it will be in the email, and it will also be here in your calendar. You can see here, I've got a meeting set up for Tuesday. It's a departmental meeting. So, but your calendar will have our class meetings here on Thursdays at 6 p.m. Okay, so let's go back to this. Let's see, what are we doing here? Here. That was it. Hmm. What happened? Well, that's it. That's been it.